Students, next we are going to know about carbohydrates. Okay, so this carbohydrates is also a one of the important nutrients. Okay, for our body, carbohydrates are the main source of energy. Okay, so carbohydrates gives us energy to work, play, and do many more things. Okay, so people who do a lot of physical work such as labors need to eat more carbohydrates. Okay, and then sports persons also need more carbohydrates. Okay, so sugar and starch are the two important carbohydrates found in our food. Okay. Okay, so glucose is present in the form of starch and sugar. Okay. And carbohydrates are the important sources of energy for our body. Right? Our body needs energy to function. All our body functions such as breathing, blood circulation, digestion or takes place at all the time, right? Okay, so even when we are sleeping also. Okay, so each of these functions needs energy. Okay, so we need energy to do various physical activities such as running, jumping, for playing football, and for lifting weights. We also need energy to perform mental activities also, right? Okay. Wheat, rice, corn, fruits, potato, and honey are some sources of carbohydrates. Okay. And next important kind of nutrients are proteins. Okay. So these proteins are the main building materials of cells. Okay. So building materials of our body, and they provide our body with material for cell growth. Okay, so it help in growth, and they also repair the damaged and worn out tissues. Okay, and next let us look at the sources of protein. Okay, so there will be two sources of protein. Okay, we are getting from plant sources and also from animal sources. Okay, so the meat, fish, eggs. Okay, these are the some animal sources of proteins. Okay, and beans, peas, walnut, groundnut, wheat, maize, these are the some plant sources of proteins. Okay, and next important nutrient, that is fats. Okay, so the body uses fats to maintain temperature. Fats provide the body with high energy. Okay, so however we should eat fats in very small amount, right? Okay, so these fats provide much more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, so but here, however, consuming too much of fat results in the accumulation of excess of fats in our body. Okay, so some sources of these fats are butter, ghee, oil, and nuts are rich in fats. Okay, and when we eat more fats than our body needs, the excess energy get stored in the body as a fat, right? Okay, so this may leads to an unwelcome medical condition called obesity. Okay, so obesity is generally caused by eating too much of fats. Okay, so if you consume high amounts of energy, okay, so fats are high amounts of energy, right? Okay, so particularly fat and sugars, but do not burn off the energy through exercises. Okay, and physical activity. Much of surplus energy will be stored by the body as a fat. Okay, so because of that we should eat less amount of fat. Okay, and next here vitamins. Okay, so vitamins are also a important nutrients. Okay, so this vitamins keeps healthy by protecting us from diseases. Okay, so there are certain nutrients that are required by our body in small amounts. Okay, so these nutrients are vitamins. Okay, so they are substances with no energy value here, but are needed every day for achieving good health and for proper growth. Okay, and most vitamins are made by green plants. Okay, so they are found in many foods, but there is no such food that contains all the vitamins. Okay, so and to fulfill our requirement of all the vitamins, we need to eat a variety of food daily. Okay, so here there will be some different kinds of vitamins. Okay, so that is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. Okay, so vitamin A we will found in carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, pumpkin, apricot, papaya and tomato. Okay, so this vitamin A helps to keep our eyes and skin healthy. Okay, so foods naturally rich in vitamin A are mostly green. Okay, so yellow, red or orange in colors also. Okay, and next vitamin here, vitamin B. Okay, so this vitamin B found in foods like milk, eggs, fish, meat, soya beans, avocado, and pomegranate. Okay, this vitamin B helps our body, okay, for the growth and working of the nerves and muscles. Okay, and vitamin C next year. Okay, we will found vitamin C in guava, kiwi, grapefruit, papaya, orange, lemon, pineapple, green and red peppers, broccoli, cabbage, and in tomato also. Okay, so this vitamin C, it keeps the skin, bones, teeth, and gums strong and healthy. Okay, so it cures the common cold also. Okay, and next vitamin here, vitamin D. This vitamin D, okay, in our body makes vitamin D on its own. Okay, when it is exposed to sunlight. Okay, so that is why vitamin D is also called as a sunshine vitamin. Okay, so vitamin D we will found. Okay, it is available from sun only. Okay, so from sunlight only, and fish such as salmon, tuna, egg, yolk, and fortified milk are good sources of vitamin D. Okay, so this vitamin D, it helps build strong bones and teeth. Okay, so this is all about vitamins. Okay, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Okay, so these are the some important kinds of vitamins. Okay, and next important nutrients are minerals. Okay, so minerals also too like vitamins are needed in small quantities and have no energy value. Okay, so for the growth and development of the bones and teeth, growth of cells, minerals are very important as they provide materials, right? Okay, so they also play important role in proper functioning of the different organ systems present in our body, right? Okay, so minerals help us to grow and stay healthy. Calcium, iron and iodine are some important minerals. Okay, so now let us look at the what are the different sources of this calcium, iron and iodine. Okay, and next here calcium. Okay, so calcium, it is also a one of the important mineral, and calcium makes our bones and teeth strong. It is found in milk, cheese and paneer, white beans, bengal gram and greeny leafy vegetables such as spinach and turnips. Greens are also rich in calcium. Okay, And next important mineral here is iron. Okay, so this iron helps in the formation of hemoglobin in our blood. Okay, so it is found in spinach, fenugreek, curry leaves, coriander, and meat. Okay, so these are the some sources of iron. Okay, and next important mineral is iodine. Okay, so this iodine is an important mineral. Okay, so that our body needs to stay healthy. Okay, so but we need only a small amount of iodine for our good health. Okay, so iodine occurs naturally in the sea, and in some soils also we will found iodine. Okay, so many of the food items such as milk, bananas, green peas and eggs have iodine in them. Okay, in order to ensure that our body gets enough iodine, the salt we consume is enriched with iodine. Okay, so what we are using in our home, okay, so that salt is enriched with iodine content. Okay, so students, in this class we have learnt about different types of nutrients, right? Okay, so that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.